Today I wanted to show you how to reset the service indicator light on the A2. My A2 has recently been in for a service and the service indicator light wasn't extinguished, so now I need to do it. So it might be useful to understand how to do this on your own car if you need to. So what I'll do now is I'll turn the key into the accessory position and you should be able to see the service indicator light come on. So here it is here, saying service. And then it'll disappear and it will go back to the normal display. So what we need to do in order to address that problem and reset the light is a particular sequence. Let me start by showing you what that sequence is. We have to switch the key off, ignition off, and then we have to hold in the right hand button whilst we switch it on. Then hold in the left hand button. Then let go of both, then switch it off, then switch it on, and the service indicator light has been reset. So if we now switch the car back onto the accessory position, it will switch on without the service indicator, and we press the left hand button, and you'll see it now says service in 9,300 miles. This is based on the regiment that the car thinks it was on, the short servicing or the long servicing. In my case, the car's on the short servicing, and so therefore it's reset it back to that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment as it all helps, and I'll see you in the next one.